Good morning. This is a pleasant Sunday morning here in Moscow, and your host Ubaid Sheikh. I'm from India, Mumbai, and my cameraman Vijay Madhav Prabhu is assisting me to make this memorable video. We have come from India, and we are staying in Cosmos Hotel, and we want to show before going to the hotel. This is basically near to VDN-HK metro station, which is the deepest metro services in Russia. And by road, we have landed in Moscow airport. Name is DME in Moscow, and it takes around 1 hour 40 minutes by road to come to this place. This place, Cosmos Hotel, was established during 1980 Olympics. From there on, it is standing very tall, and it is looking very good. We will go to inside the hotel, and we will take our room keys, and we can go to our rooms as well. Right now, you enjoy the sight of the traffic going on, and you can see in the right there is one swing. That is an amusement park swing is there, giant swing we can say. And then you can find tower, that is the radio tower for Moscow, and also besides this you can see a missile going up. It is an aeronautic museum, so we will find time and we will try to visit that place as well. Now we are zooming to show you our hotel Cosmos. So let us go towards our Cosmos Hotel and we can show the interiors. And this is for the President of France, while they were having a good association with them, they have kept his memories in a well crafted statue of him. And see the majestic hotel building, Hotel Cosmos Moscow. So we will go inside the hotel, and you can find how it looks. And reaching to our hotel Cosmos, we are very near. We'll step inside. For your information, this hotel can be booked through hotelbooking.com or Agoda, and pay from there itself and get your room bookings. So it is very easy. So let us go inside and see how the hotel premises looks like. We have passed through the security channel. These are the good gentlemen waiting to see us and receive us. Now this is the lobby. This is the Hotel Cosmos lobby, and we will go to the reception and take our room keys and the pass. So let us see, and we can go there and arrange for our hotel pass. Good morning, gentlemen. How are you? My booking is there. Can you give me a pass? Can you hand over my pass, please? Oh, thank you so much. Have a good day. So I have got the booking card, and my booking is room number 2072. Let us see where we have to go and look into the rooms Before that, we will show you little premises in the lobby, how the things are looking here. This is the ATM counter. You can very well take out the money, provided you can bring your debit card with international swiping system, so that you can take out your money. All the rubles will come here. So there are services. They will take you around in Moscow. So we can do the booking over here. As usual, there are some saleable items. Pay and take it. And here there are beautiful artifacts and souvenirs stalls where you can take some souvenirs or your loved ones, near and dear ones. Same, all these people are selling the souvenirs for us to carry as a memorabilia from Russia. Oh, here is this restaurant, Kalinka. Kalinka restaurant is there. They are going to welcome.
Did you take the decoration in the kitchen?
Yes.
The beautiful pots and everything?
Yes, yes.
And how much you will to pay me if I model for you?
It is all love.
I'm ex-Mr. Leo from Africa,
Yes.
Akino Matata.
Our new friend from Leo, but he's said he's basically from Pune, Lavasa. So he is with us. He will show us more about this hotel. Yes.
Yes, more about this hotel.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you're on an adventure today.
Yes,
Good, good,
we are making a small clipping for the reference
good.
and knowledge. Those who want to visit, it will be easy for them.
Welcome to Cosmos, beautiful place.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, get in touch with Leo.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Here, this is a massage center. You can have the various types of massage. It's a huge hotel and having 25 floors. So my room is situated on floor number 20. So let us see how the room looks like and how we can climb over to our room. Before this, we will go to the laundry and check. There is a laundry system, and then we will go to our room. Thank you. So we have come to the 5th floor of Cosmos Hotel, and here is the washing machine and ironing area. Okay. We will show you how the things are over here. Beautiful sunny day, beautiful sunny day. This is the washing machine. There we have to insert our clothes. This is the front open washing machine, and before this we have to go to the reception and give them 50 rubles. Then they will create one invoice for washing liquid. So washing liquid is coming in a type of a capsule. So that capsule we have to put inside the cloth itself. So after this we have to select our timing, and accordingly then we have to insert here 200 rubles for one wash. We have to insert 200 rubles from this, only then the machine will start. Before this it will not start. So this is the washing area, and this is the dryer. After washing, remove and put in the dryer machine. It will get dried, take to your room. So this again, in each floor there is a ironing room where we can get our clothes ironed by our own self. If you don't want to do all this, you have got laundry services. So I hope you will enjoy this amenity. So now we are going towards our room 2072 by taking the lift. And again, this is our lobby. From this lobby, we will walk through and go to the lift, high speed lift. My room is situated at 20th floor. Let's see how it looks, how we can go there. again a souvenir shop. Now the people those who want to boost themselves, here is the pub. You can enjoy the servings over here, and this is the personnel who will always check our card to go inside our area from where we can take the lift. Now again you can see the beautiful sitting arrangement for the pub. So this is again a small lobby for this area. So here we have to take the lift, and this lift is very high speed. Within 40 seconds we can reach to our floor. So lift has arrived. So this is the lift where we will go within 40 seconds to our floor. So there are some posters they have put here, and the space is, this lift is for 18 persons, and 1350 kg is allowed. Not 18 persons, this is 16 persons, 135 kilos can be. See, within 40 seconds we have reached to our 20th floor, and this is the again a lobby to show. See the view from Moscow behind our hotel, how it looks like. This is a bright sunny day today. All people must be very happy here, because now winter is going on. Because of the winter there is a lot of cold. The climate weather is going up to 4 degrees. The huge lobby. Our room is 2072 to 84. So we want to go towards 2072. Where is here is our room 2072. Let us go, and we have to just show the card, and just show the card. It becomes green. And the door is open. Dun, dun, dun. So we are inside our room. Our luggage is here, and this is the room. 2 beds are there. This is room for the 2 persons, and all these persons, both the persons can stay nicely. And again, there are some since the dryer was not working correctly, so we have spread our clothes here. And can you show the view from our window as well? So basically now this is our stay, and we are going to leave from here from 7th October, and our roommate there is gone somewhere out, and we can see here wardrobe is there, shoe brushing brush is there, and then there is a small fridge also provided, but it works, and there is ample, very good, this is very good wardrobe which has 2 sections, and there is a blanket for when the weather is very chilly, you can use the blanket. And this is the bathroom. This is a bathroom having a tub. You can fill the tub and take a good shower or bath, and neatly kept. Every day they clean the rooms. Room service is very good. And this is the washing. This is a commode. But provided, friends, everywhere in Russia, you don't find the washing pipe for after using our after going for the toilets. So people those who are used to washing themselves, for after the toilet use is a bad news for them. But we can carry our own bottles and fill the water from the this thing tap and use the water, or else there is always there is always the paper available. This is the culture they are having throughout Moscow. This is the surprise you will get. So not to get surprised, I am here to tell you all the secrets. And we got one small TV also, but TV will give you all Russian channels. This is it. So now I wind up my story of Cosmos Hotel entry, and we are going to stay here up to 7th October and leave. Till then, if you feel like liking this video, do that for me, and I will come back to you with another exciting and memorable video for our stay in Soviet Union, Moscow. Your host Ubaid Sheikh, along with cameraman Vijay Madhav Prabhu. Good luck, take care.